Hello guys, Casino welcomes you to this channel. I hope you all are well. Merry Christmas to all my friends. May the new year bring lots of happiness to all of you and you all make great progress. Let's place trade now. I have $3,500 in this account from which we will try to generate good profit. As always in this video you will get to learn a lot. I am increasing the lot size by 0.01 lot, which we will use 0.16 lot size. This lot size is calculated according to my risk. You do the same. My position size calculator link is given in the description box. You can use it absolutely free. Guys are available after applying all the trades. Guys, our profit has started, which is a good sign. Here we have applied all the trades. Now let us explain to you that we have placed the buying trade with the reason. Here we have two reasons which you will know further, and you can also place such trades. Here the market strong trend is downtrend, but we have placed opposite to the trend of the trade market. Let me explain to you from the trend channel. First of all, take the trend line and apply it on the lower high point. Connect all the points here, because this is the most important trend line. All further analysis will be based on this trend line. That's why this trend line has to be placed at the right place. Now take another trend line and put it below the lower low point of downtrend, because market is making reverse candle by taking support from this trend line again and again. This trend line is acting as support here. Our downtrend channel is working perfect, by which we can correctly find the direction of the market. This is where the market has given a trend line breakout, due to which we got a very good opportunity of buying, and our entry is also at the right time, by which we can manage the stop loss well in the market. Here you have come to know a reason to place a buying trade. This is the reason for the trend line breakout. Next you will know the second reason of our buying trade. Let's now draw a strong support resistance level in the market, which is very important for multiple support resistance point. For this we will use rectangle tool, which is best tool. This tool will cover all support resistance point. We have placed it here because it multiple support and multiple resistance points. Here the market took the first support and later broke the same support and made it resistance. At the same level the market took resistance here, and after testing twice went down. Again we got to see resistance at the same level and it reversed from here. Here the market has taken strong support resistance level as well as resistance from the trend line, and only one reverse candle has been created here. But after 45 minutes market has given breakout on strong support resistance level and trend line with this big candle, which created the opportunity of buying here. This was our second reason for applying trade. Here we can generate good profit because opportunities like this only come once in a while. We won't let it go. High probability chances the market should go up from here, because on this market is changing its trend by breaking all the levels from which we can benefit. Now we will do a little more technical analysis, by which you will understand the market pattern more. Here we will make another trend channel, as you all have seen in the thumbnail. That was the uptrend channel. For this we will take the trend line and place it below the uptrend, which will give us higher low point. This trend line is acting as a support in the market, which is correct. We'll take another trend line and apply it with the same angle as above. From this we will know the higher high point. Connect all the points properly so that we can get the correct analysis. Here we will connect the downtrend channel with the uptrend channel, due to which a gun-like pattern is being created here. We call this the gun strategy because the pattern looks like a gun. Now we will apply stop loss and target point, which is very important so that we can easily achieve our goal, because we know where to close the trade and where not to do. My stop loss will be 56 pips lower, which will be below the strong support resistance level and inside the downtrend channel. If it is a fake breakout, then we will exit the trade. And my target point will be 113 pips above, where you all know market can make new higher high of current trend. As soon as the market reaches here, our goal will be achieved. Guys, we went straight from $700 profit to $42 loss, because market is coming down for retest after giving breakout. Let me put stop loss and target point. You can see we went from loss to $56 profit. This will go on. Here's to keeping your psychology strong, because sometimes you will be in loss and sometimes you will be in profit. Whenever your profit is running, then you would like to close the trade and exit the market with a small profit. And whenever your loss is running, then you just sit there hoping the market will go up from here, but the market just keeps going down. Here you need to stop loss so that you can avoid big loss. That's why you should always know the stop loss and target before taking a trade. Never close trade before stop loss and target are hit. Let's meet the guys after we hit the stop loss and target point.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and pass. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they...
Wow guys, our target was hit, which we analyzed. The market went in the same direction. Our prediction turned out to be perfect. We achieved this target after 7 hours and 41 minutes, which is medium range timed, neither more nor less. Here we used gun strategy, or applied trade on gun strategy breakout, and generated good profit. Here the market is going up, making proper higher high, higher low. Our target was at this location, which moved after being hit. We managed the trade very well in this trade, due to which we can fulfill our goal. Now we should close all the trades, because nothing is known in the market when the correction move will come. Guys, here we are running profit around $5,329. It is the result of right analysis and right psychology. You too can be profitable trader with the right psychology, about which I will tell after closing the trade.
Keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, just like a soldier.
We had deposited $3,500 in this account, which has become $8,746 after profit. The return of this account of ours comes out to be 150%, which is good. We have more than doubled our account growth. Guys, market, it went up beautifully. The market went up by 120 pips from where we applied the trade, more than we expected. We successfully applied trade here and successfully closed. Removes this arrow line, it does not work. Now I will tell you after doing further analysis. I'm going to take the rectangle tool here, which I'll put in this place, because the market has taken multiple support and multiple resistance here, due to which we can see the reaction at this level. This is also a strong support resistance level of the market. The market just broke our strong support resistance level, and the closing of the candle is above this level. Here we have the body of the candle 60 to 70% above this rectangle level, from which we can predict the real breakout. Here again, the opportunity of buying can be created. If you want to learn trading better, then you can learn from Adam Koo, who is a professional trader. Watch all his Forex trading series videos and make notes as well, so that you can learn better. You will easily find Adam Koo video YouTube. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.